There are a number of products on the market that help people. There are pillows meant for cervical pain. There are back supports that we can put in our cars and stuff to try to modify them. Whether they help or not is very hit or miss in a given person's problem. What is not hit or miss is the importance of, again, taking care of your body and stretching and exercising and becoming more active and more healthful in what you're doing. All those products can be expensive, and they're often expensive for my patients at a time when they don't have the money the most because they can't work because they hurt. And so I try not to stress a product as opposed to a lifestyle change. And that's what makes the biggest difference for most of my patients, is if the injury, even if they have an injury that I can fix, if that scare promotes them to lose weight and exercise more and become healthier, a back injury can open the door for a better life going forward. And so we focus on things like that more than any particular product.